Alright guys, welcome back to All American Motors. I've got the tripod set up kind of by myself at the moment. I'm going to be working on the Mazda. I don't know how this will tie into our videos, but at least I'm working on the Mazda right now. If I could explain, I don't know if you already know, but the motor's been taken apart. The valve covers off the engine. Now I'm starting to disassemble, try to get this timing belt back on so I can start assembling the motor back together. Alright, let's get started figuring out what we need to do. I'll just have it videoed and we'll speed up or crop out parts as we go, I think. Hopefully. Got that little itty bitty bolt out. Put that aside. Let's see if maybe we'll just set this fan shroud back in here real quick. Check this out. A little bit low on that power steering fluid. Looks like. All right. Got that bolt out. Took me long enough, right? Alright, let's see what else we got. Here we got this rocking out there if I have to take off this pump or not. See if I can access that bolt down in there. less bolt holding it on. Sorry, I kind of got in the way. This is fun. I'm just figuring this out as I go along. I haven't really done this particular engine before. I don't have a whole lot of room in here, as you can see. So I'm just like going slow at it. I guess we'll go ahead and take these power steering lines off. Guess that's our... This is what we need to do now. Let's go ahead and do that. Welcome back, All American Motors. If you want an actual intro, this is the Mazda b2500 and 98 model. This is a 4-cylinder motor. I don't know exactly where this video is going to tie in on all our videos, but we've got to get this work done. This may be an actual video where, if I can get this timing belt on, it'll be an actual video about the timing belt. Let's see where we are. Alright, let's throw that out of the way. And I've loosened up 2 bolts for the radiator. Oh, now that the radiator is drained, I can go ahead and grab my handy dandy pliers. Alright, I'm taking off this radiator hose so I can take the radiator out. Like I said, I just removed the other 2 bolts, and I've already got the radiator drained, so hopefully it won't drain out too much because I don't want the stuff in my eyes. So I gotta get this hose off. Some of these hoses are a pain. I need to get me a set of picks. Let's see how much coolant we dump out.
A bunch. As predicted. You get any in your eyes? You okay there?
No, I'm good.
Good. Oh, you get that rolling cart. I get the ground.
No one cares about the photographer.
Comment below if you care about the cameraman.
You
Back
just
to
wanna
the
be in
main
the
video.
videos.
Hey, I'm in the videos already, so it doesn't
You
matter.
need to get your own trucks and do videos about.
True. I'm gonna get a truck soon.
And that'll
Just watch.
You do all the work on. This is how you get out a radiator. You just pull off the hoses and pull it out. It's easy, guys. You don't cool it all over the shop and your boots.
Is that green slime?
It's such green.
Is that green slime?
Probably because it's not even like diluted at all. It's probably full strength. I don't know who would do such a thing.
I need
now
your
we
comments.
have some extra room. Now we can pick up the fan shroud that's been kind of stuck in here. Oh, unless I have to take out the fan.
There we go. There. See, cameramans do stuff sometimes.
Interesting. We can take off the motor belt.
Why would we do that though?
Why are you videoing?
Because I want to.
Because I want to.
Because it's like.
Because I have the motor apart and I'm working.
Yes.
Exactly. I'm trying to take it apart so I can put it back together. Make any sense? Probably not.
What? Why?
I've got to take it apart so I can put it back together.
Okay.
So I can start putting it together. Welcome back to All American Motors. This is the segment I just came up with. This is called Mazda time! Or I'm a little bit sick, and Mazda needs some engine work. Let's do it! Today I'm going to try to do a quick tip. I'm working on a 98 Mazda b2500. I'm changing the timing belt. I've already obviously gotten down this far to the engine. The main things to remove are your AC compressor here, and then the whole entire bracketing with your idler pulley and your power steering pump. There's not too many bolts. I want to say like 2 or maybe 4 bolts holding on the compressor, and then three bolts. 1, 2, then a third bolt maybe in here. 3 or 4 bolts holding on the other bracket. Let me show you a trick here. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna have to do something here. Alright, let's see if I can do this first try. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I've got a big long screwdriver. You can use a pry bar or whatever. I'm gonna push the tensioner as far back out of the way as I can go. Then I'm gonna tighten it up. Tighten this bolt up. I'm using a 13mm bolt. Tighten the bolt up in the loosest position. Alright, that tensioner is out there. Now let's go ahead and get our belt on. Let me show you. Alright. So I'm just learning, but this is what I found out. That arrow, that triangle needs to be pointed to that little triangle right there. Down here, that diamond on the water pump needs to be touching that diamond. Now down here, this little dot needs to be lined up with this little groove. And then we will be timed correctly. Got the time belt cover put back on now. It's time to put the rest of this back together.
Is that as much as you can do? 45 degrees?
As much as I want to do.
Okay.
Yeah, we're only going about, how do you say, about 50 degrees?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, well.
50 degrees, yeah, that sounds about right. That's a little more than 50 degrees. That's like 60.
That's gonna have to work.
Is it just
I want them.
too tight, or?
Let me check them again. Alright, I'm installing the valve cover. See how this goes.
You put the new seal on.
Brand new Velcro gasket on.
Yep.
Hopefully I don't smash it.
Hopefully not. I like these Velcro gaskets. They're pretty good, I
They're the
think.
best.
Yeah.
Don't get a cork gasket. Get all the bolts started. These little 5/16 bolts. Can't wait to get her fired up. Probably gonna sound terrible, and we'll probably have to open this back up again. But
Are we gonna crank it over tonight?
I don't know.
That'd be crazy if we did that.
They'll never know.
Who will never know?
They'll never know. It'll get cranked over soon enough. Comment down below if I should do a front-end conversion to a Ford Ranger. It's possible.
Well, I thought anything was possible.
Alright guys, for those of y'all have been wondering why I haven't been posting videos, my first computer went down, so I ended up buying a second one, and now I will be posting videos more frequently. So for those of y'all who like my videos, I would like y'all to subscribe because that would really help, and thanks for watching.
Light. It's camera. Action. Or just I need a light.
Oh. That'll be at the end of the video.
Find light.